Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna recreate this look by Arnell Armon. She is amazing. I love her. I love her videos. Let me stop kissing ass. She created a beautiful blue smoky sultry eye with a beautiful brown lip. I'll put a picture up here. I already recreated the look before and I posted up on my Instagram and I asked you guys if you wanted me to recreate it, and a lot of you guys said yes. I'll put a picture up somewhere here too. I have less than an hour to get out the door and go to fucking work. The palette for today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and we're going in with Sienna with a Morphe M433 brush. Using Mulberry to add some depth. So I'm just adding that same mulberry shade little by little to add more definition, like I said. And then we're gonna go in with a crown brush. It's just a really flat, dense eyeshadow brush. It doesn't have a name on it, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna apply Noir to the outer corners of my eyes just to give that really dark, smoky effect, to add a lot of contrast, you know. To blend everything out, I'm gonna go in with a clean M511 brush from Morphe. No, that actually looks dirty. Never mind, don't listen to me. I'm just adding a little bit of that mulberry shade that I lost. Fuck, wasn't I gonna cut my crease? Fuck. Damn. I definitely forgot to. Oof. I definitely forgot to cut the crease. That's how fucking. Slow it down, bitch. You know, I'm gonna just take a freaking Uber. I don't want to stress myself. So I'm gonna use the M167 Morphe brush to cut my crease. This brush ain't fucking working. So as my camera was cooling down in the freezer downstairs, I just finished off my cut crease and I just blended in some black from the outer corners. Now I'm gonna go in with the blue shade. I'm probably gonna use Noir first. Ooh, I don't know the name of this, but this is from the Galaxy palette by Fenty Beauty. Got black eyeshadow on my fucking jeans. This is why I don't wear pants when I film a makeup tutorial.
Trying to get your hustle on. Ain't no nigga gonna pay your motherfucking bills, bitch. Pay your own shit. Oh. She said, fuck me, never go lines off my dick.
She crazy, she nasty, every day she harass me. I'm fucking her to sleep and then she pay for my taxi. Goddamn, sun's coming up, that's the last time that I'm gonna be fucking with them drugs, yo. add some light, we're using Fairy in the inner corners. Now all I did here was smudge some of that mulberry eyeshadow, and I deepened it up with that noir shade in the outer corners. I'm just gonna go and put some lashes on, and I'm gonna come back and finish the rest. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I'm sorry, I didn't say I was gonna do everything else because I really have to leave. I have to be out the house in like 15 minutes. So for lashes, I used a beauty supply lash. I mentioned them in my Sephora haul and my beauty favorites, so you guys can check that out. Um, for my lip, I couldn't find the lip that I freaking used. I'm so tight. The one in the picture, I used Limbo from ColourPop, but I have Tansy and I mixed it with the Kat Von D Witches liquid lipstick so that I can make it look a lot darker, like Limbo. My mom is talking mad loud. And I'm just gonna fix my hair a little bit because of the scarf. I got a little bit of that, I got a little bit, ow! Yeah, I just want to do like a little tiny, oh my god, no, still not coming out. There we go. Oh, if you guys are wondering, this hair is from my girl. She made it for me. I'll leave her Instagram somewhere right here on the screen so you can check her out. She's freaking amazing. She hooked my shit up. Right, Crystal?